The age of dinosaurs, or the Mesozoic era, spanned approximately 180 million years, from the Triassic to the Cretaceous periods. Dinosaurs evolved into a wide variety of forms, from enormous sauropods like Brachiosaurus to agile predators like Velociraptor. The era is divided into three periods. Triassic, 252 to 201 million years ago, dinosaurs first appeared in this period. Early dinosaurs like Coelophysis were relatively small, bipedal predators. Jurassic, 201 to 145 million years ago, dinosaurs diversified and grew larger. Iconic species like Stegosaurus and Allosaurus roamed the Earth. Cretaceous, 145 to 66 million years ago, this period saw the peak of dinosaur diversity with species like Tyrannosaurus rex and Triceratops. Paleontologists study fossils to reconstruct the lives of these ancient creatures. Discoveries like feathered dinosaurs in China provide evidence of the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds. The Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) extinction event, likely caused by an asteroid impact, led to the extinction of most dinosaur species. This event created a layer of iridium-rich clay around the world, serving as a marker in the geological record. Understanding dinosaurs helps us learn about Earth's past environments, evolutionary processes, and the dynamics of extinction events. Research continues to reveal new species and insights, keeping the fascination with dinosaurs alive.